This 2024 Jayco North Point 387 FBTS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Longs, South Carolina 29568 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV North Myrtle Beach. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 42 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, slide-out, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bath, kitchen island, outdoor kitchen, rear living area, 2 full baths. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.